Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Blesson Cordless car vacuum. This vacuum is a solid contender for those looking for a budget-friendly yet efficient option. It features 2 suction modes with cyclonic suction up to 9 kPa, making it capable of cleaning everything from cobwebs to car seats. The lightweight cordless design, weighing only 1.6 pounds, ensures portability and ease of use. With a large 12-ounce dustbin, it's also convenient for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. The design is functional and user-friendly. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and the LED light is perfect for illuminating dark corners in your car or home. With 30 minutes of battery life and fast charging technology, this vacuum is ideal for quick cleanup tasks. The accessories included, like the dust brush, crevice tool, and extension tube, enhance versatility, making it suitable for pet hair removal, baseboards, and even ceilings. While it delivers great performance for the price, it does have some limitations. The suction power is adequate for light cleaning, but it struggles with heavier debris or wet messes. Also, the motor may require careful maintenance to avoid damage if exposed to liquids. Overall, the Blesson Cordless car vacuum is a great choice for those who want a lightweight and portable vacuum for everyday cleaning tasks at a reasonable price. Coming in at number 4 is the Monzelle portable cordless car vacuum, which packs a punch with its impressive 18,000 PA suction power. This vacuum features a 130-watt brushless motor that's not only powerful, but also quieter and longer-lasting compared to conventional motors. With dual modes, Eco at 9,000 PA and Max at 18,000 PA, it's versatile enough to handle car seats, sofas, and even inflating balloons with its air blower function. Design-wise, the Monzelle stands out for its compact form factor and lightweight construction, weighing only 1.43 pounds. The 0.26-liter dust cup is sufficient for most cleaning needs, and the HEPA filter is washable and reusable, ensuring efficient performance over time. The included accessories, like multiple nozzles and brushes, make it adaptable for various tasks, from pet hair removal to cleaning tight corners. Its LED light is a handy addition, especially for nighttime cleaning. However, its runtime, 23 minutes in eco mode, might feel limiting for larger cleaning jobs. While the brushless motor is durable, the vacuum's small dust cup may require frequent emptying during extended sessions. Nevertheless, for $39.99, it's a fantastic option for those seeking a mid-range, multifunctional car vacuum that combines power, portability, and versatility. At number 3, we have the Handheld car vacuum cleaner, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $28.98, this vacuum offers a surprising amount of functionality for its price point. It features dual modes for suction and blowing, with 9,000 PA suction power and an integrated LED light for cleaning in dark spaces. The lightweight design, weighing only 0.72 pounds, makes it extremely portable and easy to store. The design is sleek and compact, with a one-click system for emptying the dustbin. The reusable HEPA filter is washable, maintaining strong suction power and preventing blockages. The included accessories, like various brush heads and nozzles, make it suitable for cleaning keyboards, car interiors, pet hair, and more. Its 30-minute runtime and fast charging capabilities ensure you can tackle multiple cleaning tasks efficiently. While the excels in portability and price, it has some drawbacks. The suction power is decent, but not as strong as higher-end models, making it less effective for heavy-duty cleaning. Additionally, the smaller dustbin capacity may require frequent emptying. Despite these limitations, the Handheld car vacuum is perfect for light cleaning tasks and is an excellent choice for those on a tight budget. In second place, we have the Black Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum, a trusted name in handheld vacuums. With a 16V Max lithium-ion battery, this vacuum delivers impressive suction power and performance. Its multi-surface capabilities make it ideal for cleaning carpets, furniture, car interiors, and more. The rotating slim nozzle and pull-out crevice tool make it easy to access tight spaces, while the flip-up brush adds versatility for dusting and vacuuming upholstery. The design is ergonomic and compact, with a translucent dirt bowl for easy viewing and disposal. The cyclonic action keeps dust and debris away from the filter, ensuring consistent suction power. The washable dirt bowl and filter add convenience, letting you clean them directly in the sink. With an 11-minute runtime and 240-minute charging time, it's best suited for quick and efficient cleaning sessions. While this vacuum shines in performance and durability, its limited runtime may be a drawback for users needing extended cleaning. Additionally, the noise level is slightly higher at 78 dB. Priced at $55.74, the Black Decker Dustbuster is a reliable, feature-rich option for those seeking a versatile vacuum for both home and car use. Taking the top spot is the Fantex Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum. This premium vacuum delivers an unparalleled user experience with its 19,000 PAS suction power, thanks to an 80,000 RPM brushless miter. It's truly multifunctional, as it can vacuum, blow, inflate, and pump air, making it ideal for car detailing, home cleaning, and even camping. The Eco mode provides 40 minutes of runtime, while the Max mode offers 13 minutes of intense suction for tougher messes. Its ultra-lightweight design, weighing just 1.1 pounds, makes it extremely portable, and the included storage bag ensures convenient transportation. The HEPA filter captures 95.99% of dust and particles, and the one-touch lid mechanism allows for easy debris disposal without dirtying your hands. With 10 practical accessories, including brushes and nozzles, this vacuum is versatile enough to handle pet hair, fabric surfaces, and hard-to-reach corners. While the Fantex Slim V8 Apex excels in performance, portability, and design, its smaller dustbin capacity and higher price tag may deter some buyers. Additionally, its runtime in Max mode is limited to 13 minutes. However, for $99.99, it's the perfect choice for those seeking a powerful, feature-packed vacuum for detailed cleaning tasks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.